The Hamilton Beach food processor features a compact and sleek design that easily fits on your kitchen counter. It has a sturdy build with a stainless steel blade and a powerful motor that can handle tough ingredients like nuts and meat. The appliance comes with a large 10-cup bowl, which is perfect for large family meals or batch cooking. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach food processor is its ease of use. It comes with a simple control panel that allows you to adjust the speed and pulse settings to achieve the desired texture. The appliance also features a large feed chute that can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables, reducing the need for pre-cutting. The Hamilton Beach food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle a wide range of tasks. It comes with several attachments, including a shredding disc, slicing disc, and a dough blade. This allows you to perform a variety of functions, from chopping vegetables to making pizza dough. Cleaning and maintaining the Hamilton Beach food processor is a breeze. The appliance is dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean after use. The motor base can be wiped down with a damp cloth, and the blades can be hand-washed or placed in the dishwasher. The Hamilton Beach food processor is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its compact design, powerful motor, and versatile attachments, it can handle a wide range of tasks. It is easy to use, clean, and maintain, and offers great value for its price. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient food processor, the Hamilton Beach food processor is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.